Hello, adventurers! Today, we're heading to the Lone Star State, Texas. Known for its cowboys, brisket, and vast landscapes, Texas is a travel destination that's as diverse as it is large. From the rolling plains in the north to the sandy beaches in the south, Texas offers a unique blend of culture, history, and natural wonders that you won't find anywhere else. Ready? Saddle up, because we're about to explore some of the most captivating places Texas has to offer. First stop, San Antonio, home to the historic Alamo. This is where the famed Battle of the Alamo took place in 1836, a pivotal moment in the Texas Revolution. As we delve deeper into the Alamo's past, we uncover tales of heroic struggle, resilience, and sacrifice. This was a 13-day siege where fewer than 200 Texians stood their ground against thousands of Mexican troops. Despite the odds, they fought valiantly, etching their names into the annals of history and igniting a spark that led to the birth of a new republic. Today, the Alamo stands as a symbol of courage and freedom, drawing in millions of visitors each year. As you step onto the historic grounds, you can almost hear the echoes of those fateful days. The main building, known as the Alamo Chapel, is perhaps the most iconic, with its distinct hump-shaped facade. It's a must-see, but there's so much more to explore. Wander through the Long Barrack, one of the oldest buildings in Texas, where you can immerse yourself in interactive exhibits and discover the Alamo's rich, multi-layered history. Stroll around the lush Alamo Gardens, home to centuries-old live oak trees and a tranquil oasis in the heart of the city. And don't miss the Alamo's collection of artifacts, including weapons and personal items that belong to those who fought in the battle. The Alamo is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a place of learning and reflection. It's a testament to the indomitable spirit of those who fought for their beliefs, and a reminder of the price of freedom. It's a place where history isn't just remembered, it's felt. So whether you're a history enthusiast or just a curious visitor, the Alamo offers a unique and profound experience. It invites you to step back in time, to stand in the footsteps of heroes, and to be part of a story that shaped a nation. The Alamo, a place where history whispers through the walls. An unmissable stop in Texas. Next, let's venture into the wild at Big Bend National Park. This sprawling haven of biodiversity spans over 800,000 acres, making it one of the largest and least visited national parks in the United States. Imagine a place where the Rio Grande meanders through canyons, where mountain ranges kiss the sky, and where the Chihuahuan Desert stretches as far as the eye can see. That's Big Bend National Park for you. The park is named after a bend in the Rio Grande River which forms a natural border between the United States and Mexico. This geographical marvel gives the park a unique blend of terrains, from rugged mountains to vast desert expanses, from verdant river valleys to craggy canyons. The landscape is so diverse that it's often said you can experience multiple ecosystems in a single day. But the park's allure doesn't end with its landscapes. Big Bend is home to over 1,200 species of plants, more than 450 species of birds, 56 species of reptiles, and 75 species of mammals. This biodiversity makes it a paradise for nature lovers, birdwatchers, and wildlife photographers. For those seeking adventure, Big Bend offers a plethora of outdoor activities. Hiking trails wind through the park, each offering unique vistas and challenges. There are trails for every skill level, whether you're a seasoned hiker or a casual stroller. Canoeing and kayaking on the Rio Grande River provide an exhilarating perspective of the park's canyons. And for the truly adventurous, there are opportunities for backcountry camping, where you can sleep under a blanket of stars and wake up to the sound of nature. The park is also a haven for stargazers. With one of the darkest night skies in North America, Big Bend offers an unparalleled view of the cosmos. Here you can see the Milky Way in all its glory, a sight that's becoming increasingly rare in our light-polluted world. Big Bend National Park, where the Wild West lives on, a paradise for every outdoor enthusiast. Our journey takes us next to Space Center Houston. Imagine stepping into a vast universe where human achievements meet the great unknown. That's precisely what Space Center Houston offers, a gateway to the cosmos right here on Earth. As the official visitor center of NASA's Johnson Space Center, this place is not just a museum, it's a tribute to human curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. What makes Space Center Houston so special? Well, it's not every day that you get to see spacecraft that has journeyed through the infinite expanse of space, or touch a lunar rock that's older than any stone on Earth. From the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful machine ever built by mankind, to the actual Apollo 17 command module, the artifacts here are truly out of this world. And it's not just about looking at exhibits, it's about experiencing them. Ever wondered what it feels like to be an astronaut? The astronaut training facility gives you a glimpse into the rigorous preparation that astronauts go through before they set off on their space missions. It's an eye-opening experience that brings the reality of space exploration to life. But the heart and soul of Space Center Houston is perhaps its role in NASA's mission control. This is where scientists and engineers have monitored every crewed mission since Gemini 4 in 1965. It's the nerve center of human spaceflight, and you can feel the energy, the tension, and the triumph that pervade this place. For science enthusiasts, Space Center Houston is a haven of discovery. For space lovers, it's a dream come true. And for the rest of us, it's a reminder of what we can achieve when we dare to reach for the stars. So whether you're a budding astronaut, a curious explorer, or just someone intrigued by the mysteries of the universe, Space Center Houston has something for you. Space Center Houston, where the stars are just a reach away. A must-visit for all space lovers. Now, let's dive into the vibrant music scene of Austin. In the heart of Texas, Austin pulses with a rhythm all its own. Known as the live music capital of the world, this city is a symphony of sounds, a medley of melodies. From country to jazz, blues to rock, the music scene here is as diverse as the city itself. Imagine walking down 6th Street on any given night where music spills out from every corner, each note inviting you to step inside and join the celebration of sound. From intimate clubs to sprawling outdoor venues, Austin offers a stage for every performer and an experience for every fan. But Austin's love affair with music isn't confined to its many live music venues. The city also plays host to some of the biggest music festivals in the country. Picture yourself at the Austin City Limits Music Festival, a 2-weekend event that draws music lovers from around the globe. Or perhaps you're more of a South by Southwest type, where music, film, and interactive media collide in a showcase of creativity and innovation. And let's not forget about the Austin Symphony Orchestra, where classical music takes center stage. Whether it's a masterworks performance at the Long Center or a summer night under the stars at the Hartman Concert Park, the symphony adds a touch of elegance to Austin's eclectic music scene. Austin's music culture also extends to its educational institutions. The University of Texas at Austin's Butler School of Music, for example, not only offers world-class music education but also hosts numerous performances throughout the year, contributing to the city's vibrant music scene. In Austin, music is more than just a pastime. It's a lifeline, a shared language that brings people together and resonates in the heart of the city. It's a soundtrack that plays from dawn till dusk, a rhythm that pulses through the streets, a melody that's as much a part of Austin as the Colorado River that flows through it. Austin, where music fills the air and stirs the soul, a dream destination for music lovers. Finally, let's unwind at the relaxing Texas Gulf Coast. Picture this: endless stretches of sandy beaches, the sun setting on the horizon, and the sound of gentle waves lapping against the shore. It's a beach lover's paradise, a place to kick back, soak up the sun, and let the worries of the world drift away on the Gulf breeze. But the Texas Gulf Coast is not just about sun and sand, it's a seafood lover's dream. Fresh, succulent seafood caught daily from the Gulf waters, ready to be savored at the many seaside restaurants. From succulent shrimp to perfectly grilled red snapper, it's a gastronomic delight that is sure to tantalize your taste buds. The coast also offers a wealth of recreational activities. From boating and fishing to birdwatching and beachcombing, there's something for everyone. The Texas Gulf Coast, where the sea meets the sky, the perfect place to relax and recharge. And there you have it, the top 5 places to visit in Texas. Remember the Alamo, explore Big Bend National Park, launch into fun at Space Center Houston, immerse yourself in Austin's music scene, and bask in the beauty of the Texas Gulf Coast. If you've had the pleasure of visiting these spots, we'd love to hear about your experiences. Which city in Texas would you like us to cover next? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep